Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making Italian cranberry chicken thighs. And I've never seen it done with Italian seasoning, but I'm going to try it today. I think it will taste good. And I'll let you know how it comes out. So what you're going to need is an Italian salad dressing mix packet. I have Zesty Italian. A can of cranberry sauce, whole cranberries or gelled. I have gelled. And then I'm gonna add a small onion diced up. This looks like an egg, but it's just a tablespoon of brown sugar and a tablespoon of honey. And then I have 7 boneless, skinless chicken thighs right here that I thawed out. So first I'm just going to get this diced up, and then I'm going to add everything together and I will show you where I am next. So I have my onion finely diced up right here. I just did half of that onion. Oh my gosh, I'm just going to take this cranberry sauce out. And now I'm going to take this Italian seasoning packet and sprinkle that right on into the mix. You're supposed to do this with an onion soup mix, but I thought I'm going to try something different. I'm just going to give this a little mix and then pour it right in. Brown sugar and honey. And then it's supposed to be either 2 tablespoons of honey or 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, but I thought I'll do one of each. Alright, so now I'm going to give this a good mix. Just because I like garlic. That's about good. About a teaspoon, or that wasn't even a teaspoon. I'd say that was like a quarter. I don't want too much. Alright, so that's stirred up. I'm gonna set this aside. Yeah. I have my thighs right here. My crock pot is right in front of me. Just gonna open this up and throw them right in. Boom. Here, I'll do it so you guys can see. See it right there. I already have it on low. I'm just going to put this right over. You're probably not going to have this nice red color by the end of cooking. It's probably going to turn like a brown or something from the chicken juices, I'm assuming. But it'll be fine. That would be awesome. I mean, you could cook the chicken and then drain the juices towards the end and then add this in and cook it for like another 30 minutes to an hour if you want that nice red color. But I'm just gonna throw it in with everything right now. And I'm not gonna add any liquid because I'll get plenty of that from the chicken juice. So that's what it's looking like. I have it on low. It is noon right now. I'm gonna let this cook for like 4 to 5 hours and I'll show you where we're at when it's done. So this is done. It's only been cooking for 3.5 hours. I checked temperature and they're all at 160. Some of them are at 170. This is how it's looking. The color is like a more on like a brownish color, like I knew it would change just because of the chicken juices. Right now I have a slurry, it's kind of chunky, but it's 3 tablespoons of flour, and I mixed some of the juices and then a little bit of water in it. So I'm just going to take this and dump it right in. Give it a little stir. I set it to warm because I am about to head out to run some errands. So I'm going to set this to warm and let it thicken. Alright. And I'll show you what it looks like all plated up with the rice, and I'm probably going to make some broccoli with it. Here's everything plated up. I decided not to shred the chicken, I just kept it whole. So I got the better rice and the broccoli on the side, and it's really delicious. Yeah, I recommend this meal. It's really good. So I hope you liked my video. Please like, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video then. Bye.